Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best hearing protection kit. Here are the top 3 hearing protection kits that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Pro-Ear Pro Mag Gold. This equipment entails heavy protection and amplification, which is ideal for indoor and outdoor shooting ranges. These earmuffs possess dual, military-grade circuit boards with gold connectors to protect from loud sounds. The instrument has independent volume control and DLSC technology with full-spectrum sound, aiding in reducing noise levels. It automatically shuts off after 4 hours of inactivity, which conserves battery usage and reduces energy loss. Pro-Ear offers ear protection for hunting, shooting, construction areas, sports events, concerts and fireworks. At number 2. Honeywell Howard Light Hearing Protection. This hearing protection contains built-in microphones that amplify range commands and other ambient sounds. The ear muff is designed for workers who needs to stay connected in noise-oriented areas like shooting ranges. It works on a consistent basis and automatically shuts off amplification when ambient sound reaches 82 dB. This instrument provides an adjustable headband for a secure fit and has a compact foldable design for convenient storage. Honeywell hearing equipment can connect to MP3 for listening, FM radio and streaming. Its folding design, snap-in ear cushion. At number 1. 3M Peltor Electronic Hearing Protection. This ear safety equipment is ideal for high-noise environments like disco clubs, football stadiums, and shooting ranges. It provides a noise reduction rating of 19 dB, which is quite commendable and helps in concentrating in noise-oriented situations. This accessory has inbuilt electronics with volume control in each cup to reduce unwanted noise and amplify low sounds. It requires 4 1.5V long life AAA batteries to function, and an extra pair of batteries would help in emergencies. It carries a weight of 2.4 ounces and its dimensions measure 6x4x4 inches. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.